Before history began to write its stories, there were worlds, great and small, that rose, shone brightly for a moment, and then disappeared. Beneath layers of sand, ice, and sea lie the whispers of civilizations that time itself tried to erase. But some traces remain, patterns carved into stone, cities buried under mountains, and stories that refuse to die. Today, we open the door to those forgotten worlds, the lost civilizations that shouldn't exist. Some civilizations appeared in places where no civilization should have thrived. In the vast plains of the Indus Valley, ancient engineers built cities with drains, grids, and systems far beyond their age. Across the oceans, the Nazca people drew lines upon the earth, giant patterns only visible from the sky. Who were they speaking to? And deep within the Andes, stones weighing hundreds of tons were carved and placed with a precision we still struggle to explain. These were not primitive beginnings. They were echoes of knowledge that seemed to appear fully formed and then vanish. Hidden in forgotten museums and buried beneath the sands of time lie objects that defy explanation. Carvings of flying machines in temples thousands of years old. Maps drawn before humans could sail across the oceans they describe. Batteries crafted from clay and copper that predate electricity itself. Were these coincidences or fragments of a knowledge that once existed and was lost? Every discovery raises the same question. How much of our past have we truly forgotten? Every ancient civilization looked to the same sky. The stars were their calendar, their gods, their guide through eternity. But what they built goes far beyond superstition. The pyramids of Egypt aligned perfectly with Orion's belt. The temples of the Maya tracked the heavens with precision beyond what we thought possible. How could they map the stars invisible to the naked eye? Perhaps the sky was once closer. Or maybe they remembered something we have long forgotten, a language of light and stone, written not for us, but for the cosmos itself. They rose higher than any before them, building wonders that touch the heavens. But one by one, they fell. The Maya vanished into the jungle. The Indus cities turned to dust. The Egyptians faded into myth. Was it war? Was it nature? Or something deeper? Something that comes when humanity forgets its place in time? Every empire believed it would last forever. And yet, every empire becomes a ruin. The stones remember, but we do not. We look at their ruins and call them ancient, but time does not move in one direction. The same forces that ended them live still in us. The hunger for power, the blindness of pride, the silence before the fall. Maybe history is not a line, but a circle, and we're walking the same path once more. If they could speak, the lost civilizations would not warn us. They would only whisper, "Remember."